to Pretzel interviews. Today we'll be taking you into the latest news. Roman Keane jammed fingers. What's that all about? Our reporter Floppy Fruits has more. Oops. Yes, thank you, Pretzel. This Friday, Roman Keane was playing ripper rugby with his class in the hall. Then he was trying to rip someone when he jammed his ring finger. Keane feels interesting. He's not too bad, but he has a cello exam coming up, and he needs his ring finger. It's on his left hand, though, but he can still play the cello with it. Hehehe. Back to you, Brett. Thank you for that, Floppy. In other news, Roman Keane hears a banging noise coming from outside. Our reporter, Moppy Fruits, has more. Thank you, Pretzel. Yes, Roman Keane heard numerous weird banging sounds coming from outside. It was a very interesting experience for Keane. He hadn't thought much about it, but again, very interesting experience. Back to you, Pretzel. Mr. Eggs finally says goodbye. Yes, Mr. Eggs has disappeared. He's not here anymore. I'll get a closer look just so you can believe me. I don't see no eggs. Look, he's not here. He's completely gone missing. Mr. Eggs, no, where are you? Well, don't be so worried. We didn't kill him. We just sent him to my cello teacher's house. Yes, Mr. Eggs had escaped the cello teacher's house for 3 weeks straight. Week 1, I had COVID. Week 2, Week 1, my mum had COVID. Week 2, I had COVID. No, you egg, Floppy. Week 3, the teacher had COVID. Not from us, don't worry. And week 4, this was week 4. So he didn't avoid week 4. He avoided 3 weeks of being sent to the cello teacher. And I have no idea how he's doing right now. But we get to see him once a week because we go to the cello lesson once a week. So don't worry, Mr. Eggs isn't dead. We can all say out, oh, say, can you see? Mr. Eggs, you were cute. Not really until you left. You went go. Anyway, you're not dead. So we don't have to sing this national anthem for Mr. X. Yeah, reaction videos coming out soon, I guess. Bye.